Hello guys, this is Hasham from Exodius Auto Protection, and we have a super exciting project. Unfortunately, we couldn't start right from the front just due to everything's all around the place. We're moving fast daily, but I did want to do a video showing you this insane Porsche Targa 911 GTS. It's insane. It's going to look crazy. So this is a 2018 Porsche 911. It had a full front PPF package on it already. We weren't the ones to complete it. The owner came to us and he requested that, hey, take a look at my PPF, see how old it is. And if it's old and it needs to be replaced anyways, let's just take it all off and let's do full color PPF on it. So it's a bit of a crazy request, but we're like, we can definitely get this done for you. Taking a look at the PPF, it wasn't old, but it was definitely not the greatest install. A lot of unwrapped edges, a lot of errors that did not look great and were honestly taken away from the beauty of the car. And what we recommended to the owner, hey, it's not great. I do recommend that you take it off. So we took off all that old film. It was some junk China film anyways that was yellowing and cracking. So we took all of it off and we put full Inozetek dynamic PPF on here. So as you can see on these panels over here, they're green, and it's a special type of green that has this yellow, almost gold dust to it. So it looks really, really crazy when the sun hits it. If you want to get a close up, let's show them what it looks like. So when you move at it from different angles, you'll see that it has this really insane pearl effect going to it. And this is not vinyl wrap, guys. This is a colored PPF. I believe this has either an 8 or 10 year warranty. So it's gonna last longer than all other vinyl wraps because it's not a vinyl wrap. So it's gonna outlast those. It's gonna offer that protection to your vehicle, and it's gonna look a lot better than vinyl wraps. It's gonna have that depth, that clarity that paint has, while also being completely removable, replaceable, and protective. So you get, the best of all worlds, not just of two, of all worlds. One thing that we really take important at Exodius is delivering a finished and completed product. A lot of places you'll notice that they're gonna put seams in places, they're gonna put random little things that make the job look incomplete and make it look like it's a wrap and it's not, a paint job. Our goal is always to make your car look like it has the best paint job out there. We're not trying to make it look like a wrap. So tying into that, we do our disassembly and we're real serious about it. We took off the door handle, we took off the mirror, we took out the headlight washers. We have really gone far into disassembling this vehicle just to make sure that we're getting no seams, we're getting the best finished product best as possible. That's just the bottom line. We do not cut corners at Exodius. So I think that's gonna tie in for everything today. I think we'll revisit this in a few days and see how far we've gotten with it. This project is gonna look extremely, extremely sick. We did a mock-up before and you guys are definitely gonna like this, so stay tuned. So now we're back for the second part on this Porsche 911. We've gotten a lot more done on it. It's not fully complete yet, and that's why this is only the second part, but we've honestly gone through like 80% of the vehicle. All that we really have left now is the front bumper, the A-pillars, the rear bumper, the mirrors, door handles. Honestly, not a lot of the major stuff is left over, so you guys will be seeing the finished product real soon. What I did want to kind of show you is how deep we go with our PPF. Like I always mention, even with gloss PPF, covering your edges is a must, but sometimes you can get away with not covering it. When it comes to color PPF though, it is a whole different ballgame. It's like mixing vinyl wrap and PPF all up together and them having a baby, and this is what you get. You have to go crazy with the install. So if you want to zoom in on this, I'm going to show you how, kind of deep we go with it, how good it looks, the level of workmanship that colored PPF really takes. If you look all the way inside that grill right there, you'll notice that we went extremely deep in there to make sure that you're not seeing any of this original like graphite blue, graphite gray color. That's what we're kind of looking for. And Anthony's going to kind of show you what that's going to look like, what the process is. He's trimming out the film right now, but he's going to give you kind of a more in-depth walkthrough of what it looks like.
Hi guys, my name is Anthony. I work for Exodius. I'm a specialist in vinyl and color PPF. I wanted to touch base on what Hasham said earlier. At Exodius, we try to tuck in as much vinyl as possible or color PPF, so that way you can't see the OEM color, and we want your car to be OEM-like. What I would do here is I would put masking tape. I would cut 1/8 of an inch score so that way it will protect the paint or plastic. What I use is this tucking tool to nicely tuck around inside the recess area to ensure your vehicle's PPF or vinyl is fully tucked and covered.
Hey guys, we're back with kind of the second mid part on the Porsche. So we have basically finished up most of the car now. The front bumper is laid. We're just doing the final trimmings on it, final touches. The rest of the vehicle is basically done. We're reassembling the door handles, then wrapping the mirrors. So it is always better to wrap door handles and mirrors usually on the car rather than off the car. That way you have something to kind of tension it against, pull it against. So that's why we mounted the mirrors, and we're gonna do the windshield surround tomorrow. So we're looking to finish this project up within the next 2 days. Then we're going to do a full 8-year ceramic coating on it. XPEL Fusion, we're going to ceramic coat the wheels, the glass, everything on this car, including the fabric top, is going to get ceramic coated. So definitely going to be looking very, very shiny. We'll get some shots for you guys, show you what's been going on, and then we'll see you on Friday with the finished product and the final part to this video. We are back with the final part of the Porsche 911 Targa GTS full color PPF. So the car is now fully completed, as you can see behind me, and it looks spectacular. Right now the weather is a bit overcast, so you're not seeing the true kind of depth of the color PPF, but when that sun comes out, the gold flake in this Inozetek color PPF looks amazing. And as a little surprise to the owner, he does not know yet, we also color matched his key with the same PPF since the key was the same color as the car. Everything is done head to toe. We've also gone ahead and ceramic coated the entire thing with an 8-year XPEL Fusion premium coating. So the wheels, the calipers, the glass, the PPF, everything is just dripping in ceramic coated. So this thing is not only going to look the best, but it's also going to perform the best when it comes to protecting your vehicle. Let's get a few close-up shots, the edges tucked, and then that is final of the project. It's completed. 2 weeks. It was definitely one of the more difficult projects for us, but I think we nailed it. We knocked it out of the park. We're very, very excited to deliver this car to the owner. So let's check it out.